6 days, 11-hour shifts. No cuts, no rehearsals. This isn't a staged lab demo or a slick promo reel. It's a live unbroken feed from Lonki Technology Nanchang plant. Those are Agibot G2 wheeled humanoids running a tablet quality inspection line on their own. I've sat through to many closed-door presentations promising the factory of the future. Agibot just put one online. The G2s aren't repeating one motion. They're handling the entire inspection flow. That means 4 diagnostic checks, multimedia ports, audio radiated spurious emissions, and coupling. Hitting those targets demands sub-millimeter accuracy. The G2 pairs a force-controlled arm with a 3-DOF waist reach and flexibility that fixed industrial arms can't match. In 3C manufacturing, product cycles are brutal and lines flip to new models constantly. Rigidity eats your margin. Retooling a conventional line takes heavy hardware changes and weeks of downtime. The G2 drops in without touching the floor. It learns a new product's trajectories in under 4 hours. Behind it are Agibot SCO2 Foundation model and GE1 World model. The software breaks a macro task into micro actions and adjusts in milliseconds. To a cabinet door swinging open, a part that shifted 6 straight days of data tell you what you need to know. Defect detection consistency hit 99.9%. One G2 line displaces 6 to 8 human inspectors, kept alive by hot swap-able batteries that keep pace with the factory schedule. This live stream draws a line under the pilot era. The G2 is in deployment. The question isn't whether humanoids can hold down a factory job. It's how fast the lines can absorb them.